I have high values, and I want to be treating patients like I would want my family members treated.
There's never a day that passes, there's never a single sample that passes that I don't think of that sample as an individual.
For my job, I don't have direct patient contact. I still empathize with the patients.
What I think is an important asset to have as a leader is accountability to self and to the ones you're leading.
What motivates me to go to work is knowing that there's a patient out there that really just needs to know what's going on, and we provide it for them.
One of the qualities of lab work, one of the features, is that every patient is represented by a blood tube. Despite that, I think all lab people keep in mind that these are actual individuals.
I look at them as they're my family, that they're the other people at the other end of it waiting and looking for results because they're worried about their health.
I feel connected to the patients because I like them. I'm a phlebotomist, and I like these short little contacts. I've learned a whole lot about people, about different cultures.
I think everyone in healthcare knows and feels that they're making an important contribution that goes beyond a normal 8-hour day. It's not possible to run any inpatient facility without a stat lab. I feel fortunate that I have a direct role in keeping our clinical lab running optimally.
Lab people, even though we work behind the scene, we play an important role in the diagnosis.
What I like about our team is we help each other a lot. I remember one of my teammates was just saying, you know, it's nice when a little question of, how are you doing? Do you need help with your benches? It uplifts a person, and I hold on to that every time I come into work. And even if they don't need help, it's always nice to hear that.
My team is amazing. I have the best team in the region. I like to believe that, and I tell that to my team all the time, and I want them to believe that. They strive every day to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to do for the patient, doing right by the patient. And their patient satisfaction scores, they say it all.
I have to say thank you to my coworkers. They're great people. For me, new generation in the lab, we should continue to keep this culture to the next generation. Support each other, help each other to make Surda great.